So Bhavya, Pulkit, all right, Baljeet, Radhika, Janavi, Varun, Kamal, Sahil, Shabnam, or obviously I know Shabnam science से है, Yogita, all right. Okay, Vasudha. Vasudha is not from arts background. Jyoti, fine. Not an issue. So I have, okay, Tamanna, 1, 2, 3. So approximately out of these 22, 25 peeps, 10 to 15 are not from the arts background. This is actually what I want. क्योंकि जो कुछ आप पहले पढ़ चुके हैं, उसे सब भूलना पड़ेगा आपको. You will have to forget everything that you studied in your graduation. Saksham, kindly mute your cell phone. Thank you. Fine. I got my answer that majority of my class is not from the arts background. All right. Thank you so much. So good afternoon all. I am Shubham Agarwal yet again in your services vis-a-vis Vidyapeeth IAS, and today we'll be starting the first chapter of your Political Science and International Relations optional. So, सबसे पहले, let me tell you, I will not go by the syllabus. In syllabus, you might be, there might be a topic political theory, written on the first line. No, we are not going by that, because until and unless you do not know who has spoken about all those things which you will study, you will not come to know, you will not enjoy all those things. एक theory किसी ने दे दी. Should I study Satyagraha first or Gandhi first? I think logically, if I do not know anything about, I'm sorry, if I do not know anything about Gandhi, I will not know anything about Satyagraha. So in order to study about Satyagraha, I need to study about Gandhi. About Gandhi means not his personal life. No, I am not concerned about Mahatma Gandhi's personal life. I am concerned about his ideas and his ideology and his space. किस जमाने में गांधी जी रह रहे थे हमारे पास? And then he proposed a theory. He gave an explanation of some phenomena. That phenomena is called, the explanation to that phenomena is called theory. So political theory, let us replace Gandhi by politics. So first of all, I have to study about the political ideas, and only then will I come to know about what those people thought, and then the theories which they propounded. Theory means an explanation of something. किसी चीज को explain करने वाला कोई matter, कोई literature. For example, theory of relativity. ये आइंस्टाइन ने दी थी, theory of relativity. It explains that when two objects are moving, they are in a relative motion. Even if you are static at one place, आप एक जगह पर static हो, but the earth as a whole is rotating and revoluting, and you are actually in motion with respect to Mars. अगर Mars पर कोई बैठा आपको observe कर रहा है, you are not static, you are in motion. So theory of relativity. So he explained the phenomena. He gave a logical explanation in the form of his theory. इसी तरह से politics. First of all, I'll discuss about the ideas of people who were prominent in politics, and then I will start with whatever theoretical concepts they gave, and then will I come. So in the last, I would come to the first part of your syllabus, that is political theory. So there is no chronology. Chronology is what I teach. Chronology is not what UPSC prescribes in order to understand my syllabus, first of all. दूसरा चीज, starting with Western political thought. If you go by the syllabus, I can teach you n number of thinkers. मैं सिर्फ वो thinkers पढ़ाऊंगा जो जो आपके सिलेबस में लिखे हुए हैं, लेकिन उससे आपका काम नहीं चलेगा, यूपीएससी क्लियर नहीं होगा. So for instance, in order to study Plato, I'll have to teach about his guru, that is Socrates. In order to study Socrates, I would have to teach about his contemporaries, those are sophists. मुझे उन लोगों के बारे में भी बात करना पड़ेगा. दूसरी चीज, coming back to your syllabus, Western political thought. So first of all, let me decode what is the term Western political thought and why are we studying it. स्टडी इसलिए कर रहे हैं क्योंकि यूपीएससी के सिलेबस में है. पहला जस्टिफिकेशन. दूसरा जस्टिफिकेशन, in order to study about what has been said in the world, again in order to study about what is democracy, what are rights, what is secularism, what is sovereignty, what is a state, what is nationalism, ये सब चीजें पढ़ने के लिए मुझे उन इंसानों के बारे में जानना बहुत जरूरी है जिन इंसानों ने इन सब चीजों की बात करी. इन इंसानों ने इन सब चीजों की बात कहां पर करी? वेयर वर दे? दे वर इन द वेस्ट. दे वर इन द वेस्टर्न वर्ल्ड. वेस्ट वर्ल्ड मीन्स द एंशियंट वर्ल्ड और द यूरोप, which was actually the cradle of civilizations. सबसे पहले सोच का आविष्कार, इन सब मॉडर्न कॉन्सेप्ट्स का आविष्कार कहां हुआ? यूरोप में हुआ. When I teach you about the Indian political thought, I'll also tell you कि जरूरी नहीं है हर चीज वहां हुई, हिंदुस्तान में भी हुई. प्लेटो की अगर जन्म तिथि देखो और कौटिल्य और चाणक्य की अगर जन्म तिथि देखो, दैट इज अप्रोक्सीमेटली सेम. सो प्लेटो वहां पैदा हुआ, कौटिल्य यहां पैदा हुआ. प्लेटो के बाद कुछ सालों बाद मैकियावेली आए, लेकिन कौटिल्य ने, चाणक्य ने वो आइडियाज मैकियावेली से बहुत पहले दे दिए थे. कहां? अपनी बुक अर्थशास्त्र में. सो ऐसा नहीं है कि हम पिछड़े हुए हैं, वक्ती तौर पर हम है ही नहीं. वी आर ओनली टॉकिंग अबाउट द वेस्टर्न वर्ल्ड. सो वेस्टर्न पॉलिटिकल थॉट इज अ स्कूल ऑफ थॉट विच इमर्ज्ड इन द वेस्टर्न वर्ल्ड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ यूरोप, अमेरिका. इन दो प्रदेशों में, इन दो एरियाज में सबसे पहले आपकी, मैं मानता हूं अभी इस थिंकिंग का उजागर हुआ. ये लोग सबसे पहले थे जो किस चीज के बारे में सोच रहे थे? पॉलिटिकल चीजों के बारे में. सो वेस्ट मींस द स्पेस, द लोकेशन. आजकल टैग करते हो ना, बहुत टैग मार रहे हो, लोकेशन टैग कर दो. सो लोकेशन. What were they thinking about? Politics. So political comes from the word politics. Politics comes from the word polis. And polis in Latin means a city state. अब अगर मैं इन एराज की बात करूं, 400 BC की बात करूं, टुडे इज 2000 AD, 2100 AD के आसपास है अभी. तो 2500 साल पहले जब इन लोगों का जन्म हुआ, ग्रीस was not just Greece, it was made up of many small principalities in the form of, मैं हर एक छोटी सी जगह को सिटी स्टेट बोलता था. सिटी स्टेट मीन्स एन एरिया. आज चंडीगढ़ में सेक्टर 17, 18, 19, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So that time these were city states. तो एक सिटी स्टेट को मैं पोलिस बोला करता था. And why do I call it polis? Because it was related to not my personal sphere. मेरे घर में क्या हो रहा है, मेरे कमरों में क्या हो रहा है, ये मेरे ड्राइंग रूम में क्या हो रहा है, ये इसको मतलब नहीं था. सिटी स्टेट में क्या हो रहा है? पोलिस वर्ड मीन्स पब्लिक लाइफ. So these Western thinkers, what were they thinking about the political or the public life, or the life which is not personal, or the life out of your home, or the life out of your house, the life in the city state, the life in a group of people, group of many people? At home you might be only 4 people. At home the maximum you have is your family, but a city state is a family of many families. बहुत ज्यादा वहां पर परिवार हैं. So what we study here is वेस्ट के लोग जो अंग्रेज थे, गोरे लोग, what they think. Thought means their ideas. बोला ना, गांधी के आइडियाज और गांधी के थॉट. गांधी क्या सोचते थे? वो सोचते थे कि सत्य और अहिंसा अगर हम चलेंगे इस पथ पर, obviously we will win a war. Hence he gave his theory of satyagraha. कि सत्याग्रह means it has two main pillars of truth and non-violence. It is also civil disobedience towards an unjust law. You have to kill the evil, not the evildoer. All these were the pillars of his theory called Satyagraha. So whatever Gandhi